we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So starting with this wheel, I see one chip right there. The rest of that wheel looks awesome. We have some Falcons. 265-35-18 date code. If I'm not mistaken, that is from 2014, if I'm reading that right. Got a rock chip here, a couple rock impacts. Upper section looks good. That's clean. I love the vents here. All of the metal is this same gray color. All of that is the same. It looks amazing. They did a great job on it. That looks good. Windshield's clean. You do have PPF on the upper section of this door. It's from here up, protecting that upper section, which is really nice. Now you do have rock chips peppered throughout this section here. Some of them have been touched up, others have not. Absolutely gorgeous flare. I love this kind of wide body look. Here on this wheel, you do have some rash right here that has been touched up. And you do have some stains or little spots on the wheel. These stripes are painted on, so there's no bump there. You got your rivets. There's some little imperfections on the stripe, a couple little spots. You got a chip right there. These are brand new lights, absolutely perfect. Got some chips here, a couple rock impacts, a couple other chips, a few little spots on the metal. I'm gonna try to get under here, and I see some more rock chips, little gashes there. There is some rash, of course, right here, since that is very low. Looking in here, nice and clean. That fender looks good. That wheel is clean. I don't see any cracks on the glass. PPF on that upper section of the door. You do have some rock chips here. You have more on the other side. This is probably 50% less on this side. Side pipes look good. See a larger touch-up spot right here. Two chips there. Now you're gonna have typical swirls from everyday washing, but the paint on this looks really, really good. A couple chips there. Looking at this wheel, very light rash right here. These are 295-40-18s. Once again, the Falcons. I believe that is the date code there, 2014. Couple scuffs on that roll bar. Couple little scuffs in this area in that gloss black. Got one chip right here. I'm gonna try to get under here. Looks good. You can see the tread. It's pretty good there on the tires. Love that pattern. Overall, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Great condition. All right, checking out the interior. Like I said, you have PPF here on that upper section. The edge is perfect. This is how you open the handle. Just pull it like that. Really nice mechanism. Looking at that jam. You do have some chips here. I imagine that's like the seatbelt or something clicking that and chipping the paint, because there's a little scratch also. The leather here looks amazing. I'm trying to get underneath this for you, but I don't see any flaws on those seats. They look super good. Same with the steering wheel. That's in great condition. Got the white stripe. All of that looks good. And then this carbon dash. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's a little slot right there. That turns on the battery. So you got a little key in there. Crank it over. Put this key in, turn it to auxiliary, and then you have push start. The edge of that is clean. All of that leather looks great. All of this looks good. Seats look amazing. This all looks pretty much brand new. Got the stitching back here looks good. You can see it flows through that center console. All in great condition. Beautiful carbon here. This side is absolutely perfect. And just shutting the door here. Shuts nice. Opens great. That looks really nice. Like I said, do got the little rock chip there. Everything else looks amazing. And then you do have this cover that comes with it, and looks like a car cover. Now it's kind of it's not a super soft car cover. I believe it's probably an outdoor car cover. Looking at this engine bay, this is absolutely cool. Now on the red, you're gonna see where it kind of was painted, it is cracking. They just did all the little painting on there. Got the carbon overlay here. I mean, they just did a really good job on this. I'm trying to get up close, show you all the detail. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. So the steering wheel is crooked, as you can see. It needs to be readjusted. You can hear the exhaust kind of crackles. Sounds really good. A little bumpy ride. Gear right there. Down into third, shifts nice and smooth. It's actually really easy to shift. Now in second, very bumpy. Sounds amazing. only complaint is the steering wheel's a little crooked. Get that straightened out. It'll be perfect.